Hey, it's Jason. Can you believe this all used to be pineapple fields? Right where I'm standing. A little over 100 years ago, nothing but pineapples. Dock and pineapple fields. In 1899, Captain Henry Sewall and his wife Abby settled on the peninsula that bears their name. Previously, the Sewall family inherited a third of the 16,000-acre Miles Hanson grant, awarded by the King of Spain in 1823. Within the grant were the southern 130.8 acres of Sewall's Point Peninsula. Henry Sewall built a home, cleared his land, and planted pineapples. A long freight dock was built into the Indian River at the southeastern tip of the peninsula, and for many years served as a popular stopping place for travelers. A Sewall's Point post office was established in May 1891 and continued in operation until 1918. Henry Sewall served as a Dade County Commissioner in 1893 when South Sewall's Point was within Dade County. He also was a state representative in 1894 to 1895. A public-spirited person, he was also active in the Pineapple Growers Association and the Pineapple League, and was a Commodore at the Gilbert's Bar Yacht Club on Hutchinson Island from the time it was established in 1895 until his death 30 years later. Yep, this place used to be part of Dade County. It's where Miami is, way south of us. About 120 miles south of us is Miami. And the little logo is a pelican. Hey guys, I just want to thank you for watching the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. This is Jason on location.